Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about life as a breastfeeding mom and how mothers can take care of themselves while managing daily routines with their baby. For many mothers, the beginning can feel overwhelming because everything is new. Feeding schedules, sleep changes, and daily responsibilities can sometimes feel exhausting. But with time and patience, things usually become easier and more comfortable. One of the most important things is taking care of yourself along with your baby. Many mothers become so busy caring for the baby that they forget about their own rest, meals, and hydration. Eating regular meals and drinking enough water during the day can help you feel more energetic and balanced. Small, healthy habits often make daily routines easier to manage. Rest is also very important. Even short breaks during the day can help your body recover and feel less tired. Creating a calm feeding environment may also help both mother and baby feel more relaxed and comfortable during feeding sessions. It is important not to compare yourself with other mothers. Every baby is different, and every mother's routine develops in its own way. Some days may feel easy, while others may feel tiring, and that is completely normal. Being patient with yourself is an important part of the journey. Support from family members or loved ones can also make a big difference during busy days. Over time, mothers naturally become more confident and comfortable with their routine and understand their baby's needs more clearly. With patience, self-care, and consistency, daily life as a breastfeeding mom becomes much more manageable and rewarding. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.